G'day folks, it's Ozzy here from the Crypto Ozzy channel. I hope you guys and gals are having a great day today. In today's video, we're going to look at Ethereum. I'm going to see what its potential profits might be based on where we are currently in the cryptocurrency market. I'll be doing that by using the Crypto Accelerator Tool, also known as the CAT. In each one of these videos, I like to look at 3 planned scenarios: a low reward, medium reward, and high reward plan. I'll also break down some buy and sell targets, and we'll see if we can get a decent return on our investment. Sit back and let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to do is add in Ethereum to the asset name field. Now let's go check out Ethereum's current price. We're at just $1,870 odd. We'll add that in as the first buy target. This is assuming you've just come into the market and you want to get in right now. So we'll add in 1,870. We'll work down to that $1,500 range, which we were at 2 or 3 weeks ago. So we'll look at our second target of 1,750, our third target of 1,650, and our last target of 1,550. We're going to invest 5,000 into Ethereum, with our first buy-in amount being $1,000, our second buy-in being 1,000, third 1,000, and fourth will be the 2,000. The Crypto Accelerator Tool shows you your total investment, and we have 3 Ethereum, just a little bit over 3 Ethereum. Now let's look at some sell targets, again based on where we are in the market right now. Our first sell target will be 2,500. You don't have to be exact when that sell target is reached. If it's 2,590 and you want to sell there, that's where you sell. We'll look at our second sell target, which is 3,500. Now we'll look at our third sell target, which is 3,900. And our final sell target, which will be 4,600. We'll look at the percentage of Ethereum we'll sell when each sell target is reached. So we'll look at 20% to sell in our first. When our first sell target is hit, then we'll 20% again. And when our second sell target is hit, 40% when our third sell target is hit, and 20% when our last sell target is hit. You can adjust these percentages depending on your investment style, and you don't have to sell all the Ethereum. You may only want to sell 80% and keep 20%. That's totally up to you. So let's look at our totals, and our total return on investment is $6,000 for the $5,000 we spent, which is a 120% return on investment. Now we'll look at another scenario. So we'll keep our buy prices the same. We'll keep our same investment amount of $5,000. Only thing we're going to change here is the sell targets. We're going to use close to the previous all-time high as our first sell target. So we had it as our last sell target here. Now we're going to add it to so it's our first sell target. So we'll put in 4,600 here. We've added our first sell target at 4,600. And again, you can play this how you want, whether you're going to use the figures from influencers you hear about on crypto Twitter, or influencers you follow on YouTube, or whether you're a chart expert and you've developed your own sell targets. For me, I'm going to work on my sell targets. So my second sell target will be 6,000 even. My third sell target will be 9,000. And my way out there target will be 12,500. I'll keep my percentages the same, and so I'll end up selling 100% of the Ethereum. And let's see what our return on investment is now. So obviously it's much better than before. We're at 19,500 as our return on investment. Not too bad for $5,000. It's a 390, almost 400% return on investment. Okay, we'll keep our sell targets the same. We won't change that, but this time, and we'll keep our percentages the same as well. This time what we'll do is we'll change and we'll keep our buy-in amounts the same. This time we're going to look at a high reward plan. And this is based on where prices could drop to. I'm not saying they're going to. In fact, I think we've already hit the lows last year, June, I would say, June of 2022. But this will at least show you the value of being prepared with a plan that when you buy early, you really maximize your profits. So let's look at some lower targets. So we might say from where, again, this is from where we are right now in the marketplace. Currently we're at 18.7 and our first buying amount will be 1,570. Our second buying amount will be 1,250. Our third buying amount will be 970. And our fourth buying amount will be 750. We've left our buy-in amount of $5,000 the same, and we've left the buy-in time schedule the same as well. We've left our sell targets the same, and we've left our percentages the same. But when you're prepared and you know where you're going to buy, especially at the lows or near the lows, it does make a big difference in the return on investment. Before, I think initially we were at 6,000, where you're buying right now and you're trying to sell at the high points. Then when we altered the sell targets, we got up to 19,000. And now you can see when you buy in close to the bottom, like your dollar cost averaging in, we've almost doubled that. Like we're at 37,000 now as our return on investment. That's a healthier 740 plus return on investment. This is the beauty of using the Crypto Accelerator Tool, is you can play around with these figures, whether it be your buy-in targets, your buying amounts, your sell targets, or the percentage you're going to sell, and you can craft the perfect crypto investing strategy that suits your investment style. That's a wrap on Ethereum in this video for today. I want to thank you for watching this episode. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you want to use the Crypto Accelerator Tool, the link for that will be in the description below. I highly recommend you do. Play around with it and see what sort of plans you can come up with. If you want to connect with me, you can follow me over there on Twitter. My profile link will be in the description below as well. Just letting you know, I'm not a financial wizard. This is not financial advice. I would seek out professionals for that sort of thing. But if you like to speculate, then this is the channel for you. We'll be looking at other assets over the next couple of weeks. So why don't you subscribe so you don't miss an episode? Flip on those notifications. That way you'll know when I'm posting a new video. Until the next video, trade safe, trade smart, don't gamble, and use the cash.